हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल। तो गाइस, आज की हमारी वीडियो का टॉपिक है ब्रेन। फॉर द वर्टिब्रेट ब्रेन develops at the anterior end of spinal cord during embryonic development. The brain undergoes regional expansion as a hollow tube of nervous tissue forms. It develops into hindbrain, midbrain, and forebrain. There are three parts. For parts of brain की बात करें जहाँ तक there are three parts of brain: hand brain, mid brain, and forebrain. For hand brain, the hand brain is continuous with the spinal cord. Parts of hand brain. Hand brain includes the following parts: medulla oblongata, cerebellum, and pons. Medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata is enlargement of the spinal cord. It is well developed in all vertebrates. Functions: control automatic function. It controls several automatic functions such as breathing, heart rate, blood pressure, and swallowing. Screening center. It serves as a screen for information that leaves or enters the brain. Cerebellum. It is dorsal outgrowth of the medulla oblongata. The cerebellum is important in coordinating movement of the body, accurate motion, and body position. The cerebellum guides smooth and accurate motion and body position. For learning and memory, the cerebellum is also involved in the learning and memory storage for behavior. Cerebellum in different groups of vertebrates. In Telophytes, Antelope's cerebellum is large in active swimmer fishes. It is small in active fishes and cartilaginous fishes. Among them, cerebellum have distinct anterior and posterior lobe. In amphibian often have a rudimentary cerebellum. It shows simple locomotory patterns. In tetrapods, the cerebellum is laterally expanded. These expanded lateral lobes provide locomotory control of muscles of appendage. In birds and mammals, the cerebellum is much large in birds and mammals. It houses their complex locomotory patterns, a common evolutionary history of limb development. Pons. It is a bridge of transverse nerve tracts. It arises from the cerebellum of the forebrain to both sides of the cerebellum. Midbrain. The midbrain is a center for coordinating responses to visual input. As the brain evolved, it took on added functions relating to tactile touch and auditory hearing input. Optic tectum. The roof of the midbrain called the optic tectum. It is a thickened region of gray matter. It integrates visual and auditory signals. Forebrain. Main parts of forebrain. The forebrain has two main parts: Diencephalon and telencephalon. Diencephalon. It lies just in front of midbrain. It contains following parts: hypothalamus, thalamus, pineal gland, and pituitary gland. Thalamus. It relays all sensory information to higher brain centers. Hypothalamus. It lies below the thalamus. It regulates many functions such as body temperature, sexual drive, carbohydrate metabolism, hunger and thirst. Pineal gland. Pineal gland controls some body rhythms. Pituitary gland. It is a major endocrine gland. In fishes and amphibians, the densiphilus process sensory information. It, in reptiles and birds, the most important part of the brain is the corpus stratum. It plays a role in their complex behavior patterns. Telencephalon. It is the largest part of the brain. It is divided into two hallways called cerebral hemispheres. Cerebral hemispheres. The left cerebral hemisphere controls the right side of the body. The right cerebral hemisphere controls the left side of the body. The parts of the brain related to sensory and motor integration changed with the evolution of vertebrates. Many functions shifted from the optic tectum to cerebral hemisphere. The increasing importance of the cerebrum affected many other brain regions, especially the thalamus and cerebellum. In mammals, the outermost part of cerebellum called the cerebral cortex. Due to this, there is enlargement of the skill bones. Different parts of the cerebrum have specific functions. तो गाइज आज का हमारा कोई यहाँ बैंड होता है, तो मिलते हैं आपके चैप्टर की नई वीडियो के साथ। तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिएगा।